Hey guys, it's me, Destiny, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. I got this one I just made. If you want to know how to make this one, it's the liquidy slime. Do liquid. Ew. And I got this one. Want to know how to make this one? It looks like the beach is sand, but it's not. Type in blue sand. I meant blue bow. And if you want to know how to make this slime, type in orange glass. I want to know this slime. This slime. I don't. It's supposed to be I love YouTube, but it didn't come out. Wow. Ow. So that's my slime collection. Yeah, just like a pop goes the beat. And I can arrest you if you don't subscribe. So you better subscribe. I've got my cups ready. And I got my little turtle. Beep, 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 beep. I love them down too. Tell me what time it is on where you live. I ain't asking no questions where you live, but I mean, see what time it is. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm back. Follow me on Musical.ly. It's Destiny T. No spaces. If you don't know how to spell Destiny, Destiny. Okay? Destiny. And if you want me to follow you on Musical.ly, do your username. Okay? And I'm going to make another slime video maybe later today. And what you'll need is glue, laundry detergent, and a container.